Leo, let's talk about Bitcoin and crypto in general, because Kenyans have made so much money from this in the past year, and thanks to the massive rise in the Bitcoin price that broke the 100,000 US dollar mark recently. This was a very steep rise, by the way, from 40,000 US dollars where it all started at the beginning of the year. That growth was over 150%. Wait, let me paint the picture kidogo nielewe fiti. If you had 1 million in January, by now your value should have gone to 2.5 million. And because of this, many people are now interested and are now thinking of how they can make money investing in crypto world. And I thought I should educate you on how people do make money in crypto and tell you all that you need to know before you take that step. Welcome to MoneyVersations. So before I tell you what you need to know before you start investing, first let me quickly tell you how they make money using crypto. There are two most common ways, and the first one is through something they call P2P or peer-to-peer trading. This is where you buy and sell directly with other users on a given exchange platform. This is one of the most untapped and the less risky opportunities that everyone, I think, should try. You can use a platform like Bybit, where so many Kenyans are making good money daily, and you should also learn about it. And also, if you want to know more about it, let me know if I should do a video on the P2P so that you understand it better. The second way is trading crypto. This is one of the most popular ways that you can profit from crypto. So you can buy low and sell high, taking advantage of the market fluctuations. But just remember, it requires some research and solid understanding of market trends. Hii ni kama tu forex, where you buy and sell to make a profit. But remember, it's quite risky, and therefore you need to understand the market trends, the news, get trading signals, interact with other traders, and all these you can only get in a platform known as FastBull. And by the way, this can be super helpful for those of you who are already trading, whether need crypto, ama ni forex. I also do use it myself. So FastBull helps you to navigate this dynamic world of trading with confidence. Imagine they make market data available to you in real time. They also help you understand the trends with advanced charting tools, and you get actionable insights through trading signals. All these on the same platform. You also stay informed with the latest news and expert analysis, and you can also connect with other vibrant community of traders through live chats. So whether you are a pro already, I'm thinking of getting started in this trading manenos, this will help you a lot in your trading. So I highly recommend you check out their website. I will leave a link on the description below to see all this by yourselves. And thank you FastBull for promoting this video. Anyway, the other option people use to make money is known as staking, which is more like earning interest on your savings account, but in the crypto world. Yeah. Then there's yield farming, which is also lending your crypto to others through decentralized platforms, of course, with a return. Ni kama tu kinatala lakini za crypto. And last ni mining crypto. This one you have to have technical know-how and the right equipment, because mining can be very lucrative venture, na pia very costly. So the most common ways are P2P na trading, where you buy and in anticipation you sell after the price imeenda juu. So if in any way you're thinking of trying out investing in crypto, please ensure that you are aware of these things I'm about to tell you. Number one, crypto is very volatile. Prices fluctuate widely and a lot. So if things work for you, you can make so much money. But if they go against you, all your money can be gone within seconds. Do not invest or put all your money in crypto. Of course, now you already know why, and I shouldn't repeat myself because of that volatility. Next, take your time to understand the crypto world. How does it work? Learn, do your research. Don't follow others blindly. Lastly, it takes time to understand anything. So please be patient and grow gradually. For any comments, concerns, questions, let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.